Joe here. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to dive right in to someone that's doing an amazing example of affiliate marketing with their social media. If you guys don't know already, I am an affiliate marketer. I'm a digital marketer. Basically, I get paid referral fees. I recommend other people's products. And if people buy through those products, then I make commissions. For example, if I recommend a credit repair company and somebody joins their services through my special affiliate link, I make money. So if you haven't been to my channel already, I do appreciate you being here. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'm going to be dropping some knowledge every other day. And today I'm going to show you a great example of someone that's doing affiliate marketing using their interests, using what they know. And that is cooking. Cooking with Kunchi. As you can see, this person is live right now, but I wanted to actually give a real life example because this guy's doing amazing. This is the end goal. This is monetizing your social media. So it goes to show that you don't always have to be promoting a software or an educational course or a fitness program. This man is promoting cooking. He loves cooking. He knows how to do the cooking, the barbecue. I mean, look at his bio. Jamaican barbecue wizard, sharing bites of life. This is the cool thing that I really like is he's sharing his knowledge, he's sharing his recipes, he's even showing tools that he uses. So he's not afraid to get out there. He's getting out there. But the beauty of it is he's monetizing his page by adding a link right here. So if I click this link, chances are it'll take me either to a business page, it'll either take me to affiliate companies that he's partnered with, but I want to check it out and I want to show you how simple this is. This is basically a new world that you probably didn't have an idea that existed, because I'll be honest, back in 2020 when I found this opportunity, I didn't know it existed. I didn't know companies such as Apple and Best Buy and Amazon were paying people to market their products. So let's click on this link. Of course, TikTok is just going to say that I'm leaving. It's okay. Let me open this. And here we go. Little bio about him. This is awesome. Look, he has all his social media tied in. I'm a foodie, not a chef, but I love cooking and eating. I'm always trying new recipes, learning new ways to cook. I love sharing my food with family, friends, and strangers alike. I love it. I love it. Made it all about himself. Food lover. So, as you can see, he has merch. Merch is basically clothing that he sells about his business, makes him a little bit more money. If I click on it, I want to see what happens. Let's check this out. Let it load. Looks like it's not set up yet. It's coming soon though. Let's go to the next one. Amazon store. All my gear and equipment on Amazon. So this is where he actually includes his affiliate links. In his videos, some of the videos actually contain tools and things that he uses. So if I click on the Amazon store, basically he had partnered with Amazon and he has links to products that he recommends. Any product that I choose to click on, such as barbecue, if I click on this knife set, which costs $90, just because he sent me here, Amazon will pay him a referral fee. Without him having to lift an extra finger, without him having to ship the product out to you, or deal with any customer service. All he did was lead you to the page and he makes money. Let's go back and check out what else he has going on. Even better, he has a YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure the YouTube channel is going to break down the more recipes and things like that, but you guys can check it out for yourselves. Reggae spice companies. Shop Reggae spice rubs and marinades. This can probably be another affiliate company he's partnered with. And guys, if you don't know how to be an affiliate, it's very, very simple. I've showed it in my past videos, but all you have to do is go to Google and type up a company, type up a product that you really enjoy. That's all you have to do, and add these words at the back of it. So let's let this page load up real quick. On top of that, look what he does. He basically makes it a revolving circle. He even gives you an option to stay up to date with everything that he's doing. So you can enter your email and he will send you notifications, probably on recipes and things like that. So let's go back to Google. Let's say you're into makeup. Let's say you're into cooking. You can look up makeup affiliate programs. This word right here can be anything. It could be a specific product, actually. But for this example, I'm just going to type up makeup. If you scroll down, Sephora, they have blogs talking about which companies you can partner with. Ulta, there's a lot of them. I can change this up and talk about a product, let's see. Eyeshadow, I guess eyeshadow is the first thing that comes into my mind. And here we go. Different products. Best makeup products. Guys, it's so easy to partner with the company. The thing that people struggle with is driving traffic. Driving traffic. What people struggle with is actually getting out there and marketing and building the relationship, building the brand. If you like this video so far, please drop a like. Please, 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 because all it does is it helps out the channel. If you have any questions so far or any thoughts, please take a minute, pause the video, and drop a comment. Again, all that does is it helps this video rank up higher and it gets blown out to more people so they get exposed to this information. At the end of the day, that's what it's about. It's showing people something new, showing somebody a new side hustle. If you treat this as a side hustle, it can become a side business. And if you want, it can become your main business. It happened to me. I did it. I was working as a school teacher. I was scrolling through TikTok like everybody does, all because I was bored. My wife told me to download TikTok. I downloaded it. I ran across an opportunity of how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. I took a shot after being scammed so many times with other business models, pyramid schemes. I took a shot. I signed up with the little course to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and I haven't looked back since. When I took it seriously, after 30 days, I made $2,500. After 10 months, I was able to quit my job. After those 10 months, I had built it into a six-figure business. All because I partnered with companies that showed me how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. So by high ticket, it can mean you can earn up to $1,000 or more by just referring someone to a company for their product or their service. If you want to learn more about that, if that's something that interests you, click the link down below. You'll find that training, the same one that I took. What's crazy is this man right here actually took the same training, and look what he did with it. He made his blow up all about his interest, which was cooking. So if that is something that interests you, check out the link in the description below. It's going to be a training. It's very, very inexpensive, but it can get you started on a brand new path. It did for me. Again, I was able to quit my job. Look what he did in his page. And there are tons more. There are tons more success stories. If you're willing to go get it, if you feel you deserve some new change in life, go out there and get it. But what they show, the skills that they show is this. It's basically how to be a good marketer, how to monetize what you know, how to monetize what you have. Get paid for the skills that you have, such as these. It's awesome. And it, like I said, it's really, really amazing because you get paid the referral fee. Once you get somebody to that sales page or that product that you're recommending, it's that company's job to handle the rest. You don't have to pay any inventory, unlike dropshipping where you have to buy inventory and deal with if the person got the product and things like that. You don't have to do that here. You don't have to. You learn about how to set up the proper tools. It's basically like a home. When you're building a home, you need the right foundation. That's what you learn here. So, guys, if you've enjoyed this so far, again, drop a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow, I'm going to be going over more of a beginner approach of affiliate marketing, such as, again, how to find products, even better products, how to choose the right products. And from there, we'll just keep growing. At the end of the day, I'm just here for you. Again, drop a comment, even if it's to share your thoughts. I hope to hear from you, and I'll see you next time.